Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. Hello everyone, we are in Lesson 1, using common everyday greetings and inquiries. In this segment, you will learn about common everyday Tagalog inquiry, Nasaan ka? In previous tutorials, you learned two common everyday greetings in Tagalog, Magandang umaga and Kamusta ka? Did you notice that Kamusta ka ends with a question mark? Kamusta ka, as a common everyday Tagalog greeting, means how are you? It is also a common Tagalog question or inquiry, how are you? We'll discuss more about Kamusta ka in Lesson 2. Another common Tagalog inquiry is, Nasaan ka? This means, where are you? To answer nasaan questions, begin with nasa. Nasa, a place marker similar to in, at, or on, is followed by place or location. Someone who is at home and is being asked, Nasaan ka? May answer, Nasa bahay or Nasa bahay ako, meaning at home or I am at home. Let us practice asking and answering Nasaan questions. Nasaan si John? Where is John? Nasa library. In the library. Or, Nasa library si John. John is in the library. Nasaan si Leilani? Nasa cafeteria. Or, Nasa cafeteria si Leilani. Nasaan si Fred? Nasa party. Or, Nasa party si Fred. Nasaan si Bob? Nasa bus. Or, Nasa bus si Bob. Nasaan ang pulis? Nasa City Hall. Or, Nasa City Hall ang pulis. Nasaan ang doktor? Nasa ospital. Or, Nasa ospital ng doktor. Nasaan ang driver? Nasa parke. Or, Nasa parke ang driver. Nasaan siya? Nasa sine. Or, Nasa sine siya. Nasaan sila? Nasa stadium. Or, Nasa stadium sila. There are times when the person one is looking for is not around. One way to answer nasaan question in this case is to say wala, meaning not here, followed by the reason or explanation for the absence. Here are some examples. Wala, may sakit siya. Wala means not here. May sakit siya means he or she is sick. Wala, may sipon siya. Wala, may trabaho siya. Wala, may lagnat siya. Sometimes you have no idea where a person is. In this case, your answer to nasaan could be ewan ko, meaning I don't know, or hindi ko alam, which also means I don't know. By this time, you should be able to ask and respond to the inquiry, nasaan ka? This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!